It's time to redo the Pepsi chugging challenge. 500 milliliters, half a liter. Before I got 4.5 seconds, I'm gonna end up going. It's hard to beat that time, but I don't know. Anytime I'm cool with. I just want to really beat my own time. I want to improve on it. You can see all the bubbles. It is cold, very cold, which will make it harder to chug. Here I go. Holy shit. Ah, God. There's like a drop left on the bottom. That was right out of the fridge. Holy shit. I think I'm gonna do one more video today, then take like a week or two off from this shit. I can't keep going at this rate. I've already done like 15 video challenges. I did another one like a few hours ago. I did the cinnamon challenge in around a minute, if not under. Um, done a lot of videos. Check them out. But I'm out. See you guys.